His Lordship Justice Yone Kolende and Richard Jakpa for conspiring to interfere with the administration of justice. I hope this reached you in good spirit. I'm a citizen of the Republic of Ghana with a keen interest in the development of the rule of law, good governance, and democracy. In January 2023, the Republic of Ghana commenced the prosecution of accused person in case of bearing the title Republic versus Kasalato Forcing and two others. Richard Antumna Jakpa, the current director of operations at National Security Council, who was dishonorably released from the Ghana Armed Forces in November 2007 for unsatisfactory conduct and failure to pass his examination, was the third accused. The said Richard Jakpa, as subsequently became obvious from the proceeding, is the cousin of Justice Yone Kolende, a Supreme Court judge. In the course of the trial, it was revealed that right from the first day of accused person were arraigned before court, 18 January, Richard Jakpa deployed the highly influential justice of the Supreme Court, Yone Kolende, to obstruct the course of justice in the case with the ultimate object of ensuring that the prosecution of Richard Jakpa was either abated by the then Attorney General Godfred Yaw Boamah, or he, Jakpa, was acquitted. The act of Justice Kolende and Richard Jakpa border on the commission of crimes relating to interfering with legal proceedings. The following facts, evidence of which I will produce, bear this out. Where are the facts? Any go on? Or the WhatsApp communication between Jakpa and Attorney General. Move Kaisa say muya we pay mu. Say omukoshia Yone Kolende fie. Edi din komo mo kasenka wongu niema mu na so omutwitwa niema bi so Jakpa na na be kae. Eno ena abranche bi di krata akoma omampani Jomama say Yone Kolende on fatase obetra Supreme Court. Na Jakpa so on fatase obek hold you a national position of such repute as the Director of National Security. Jomama has been petitioned to investigate. And I know Japano, you remember na step aside. And now a prima facie case you have to be established, whether or not the investigation go on. But Yone Kolende there, or a justice of the Supreme Court. It's quite a fast justice of the Supreme Court to say Article 146 when a petition, or Mampeni will have to wrestle to Council of State to determine whether or not Jakpa
should step aside from their various.
I don't know whether the president will, if a prima facie case is established, the president will have to suspend Yone Kolende. Only the so chief justice to honor the sentasa the board obeying the outright.
The law is not the law.
The law is not the law.
The law is not the law.
Chifu Atimokwa MP David Bondi has apologized after public backlash over his remarks on the viral video of a suspended KNUST assistant headmaster. The MP has suggested the student consented to the act, sparking criticism. The no Naman forces are quite to say on one crime to win quality. Now, Yakochu will be video no of Fondo Akrakitwa as also new for. Or say, get a penny somehow, Umiemi Anunti. Now, MP. Now, I say, Chifu Timo Kankolano, who will be Anna. David Bonde, Yentine.
Tutor what it is. In the relationship he had. So, we share video in a year. Okay. Sincerely, the man was not forcing the young girl.
Wow, forcing Akwadano.
No, don't.
Okay.
One forcing young girl. No.
Okay.
It was more of a consented thing. That portions of the statement I made during the discussion was taken out of context and was placed, and it was all over the place, which of course was suggesting that I sided with the head tutor in the relationship he had with the student. Ladies and gentlemen, I would want to plead with all of you and to all Ghanaians who may be watching me now that if that video played by Adum TV brought any discomfort to anybody, I apologize.
Yeah, now, some now me kind taken out of context. The contest out to be no. As I'm not saying, we share video no na we share. I ran papa na for so no. Ono an pen so no de ho call we contest baby.
You say you consented.
Oh, you use the word.
Who you say you say
a consented mutual amorous act.
So mbe mi omo ho.
Oh baby, and one side busha for Manuel Pa. Monfancheme. That's how they say it was taken out of contest.
Okra de oka brofo.
Okra de okta hono kanchi.
O wie no sa meka no brofo.
Nanka. So we share video no a.
So
papa no wan force no.
Adi waka.
Na ya wan de anu abako no. On the weekend no.
Eh serious. Akota enema ekoso wo ye secondary schools ni mo.
Teacher ni no. Na tupa mu den. Asante ohui.
Ibi kura so ye house master.
Ibi
kire say
Aye.
OT region na yes.
OT region. Akwala no so akra bone no aba ne nam no wa mo teacher ni.
In those
schools na students living a kwachi no. Omu ko tete window num.
See say ba ko pege no na ba ko wa ye ge ni la ya wontwe.
Say headmaster.
Say headmaster nti na wo na me ye lie. Wonti ase no nti da bia wo ko headmaster no. Ye betete eyi.
And omu ko tete window num o.
Nti o wa na headmaster bibia ni sa say obi
ehwe no. Opejanity a.
Why no asabe butu so. Na headmaster no we penim bone. Utimi sorry ko busa hwan no sabe butu so.
Na so what mean so be we akwala.
Hey, me say ade odia na be di.
We ya say butu asante ebo a.
KNUST ni de no.
Dabi. KNUST ni de no.
Omu chima no so pokware ye school mo. Na say we boys in the bia na onya benwe. Ene say Yaw Boamah me school.
To ba ha no mo no. Now no see ano o ma ye there. O ma agree. It's been indicted.
Dismissed.
Now total dismissal. Now you say onya entitlement bia o.
Na tokunu de ni be mu no.
Tokunu de na bi o. Ye ewurade akwala. Ada we cry bia. Yawe, one we know. Cause so no. But sa teacher ni de ende. GS ehunu de.
Voter region. GS into.
But na say video mu teacher ni no.
Another enkwala ni no.
Obohu.
Na no mu nim teacher ni o. Ono ni ti na say na ni tiri hu bi so.
And udu.
Na uya no so na ni afie onya kwala o.
But o man narrow conversation am ye hu school kro. Region kra. District kra school no wo.
Enti o di try na o di
say so person o hwa de we mu a. O de mo ma GS official nko. Ono de ompe national security ni bi kura no nko jeje no nko bisa nkwala ne say.
Nkwala no kura nim teacher dia wa we no. A girl no call me no. They should protect the lady.
And one so and nyamin child they say video no mu nyina no. Unhu girl no anim.
Yes, a girl no die as.
Yes. Un said that
teacher ni papa pedi atopa. Yaw.
Oh yeah, come ayo amanfo akono so bia omo.
But how can I say akono?
David,
that's my big can. Da papa penny what chiakra ke. No penny me bot papa. Sa de da fomo yaw.
Okay papa penny.
No penny mo.
Five size na ni boy.
Like say papa penny mo ne bot papa.
How can you do that?
Uyemba we wona.
Uyemba.
KNUST India no.
Aye.
Media me who say there should be psychological issue.
Nadwene ye asante wo.
There be o min ka say nadwene. O say ka psychological issue, yes nadwene you like. At that moment na, yaw, akura fa fun a video. Na wo he no pa at your age.
Sa na ote e, enti no wo he no no. Na goda, say yes na ote a. Akura no kra kukuduro obeba say.
They sure say we video no many times. On any kuku mu nsem. It could even be said no my video or my
oh supposedly but
if it's on my video or my
KNUST so the no so you see a student big girl na headmaster dey free ni zemu
I say no students no so e dey beba bonte
and again ni e video no dey send boy ni say I headmaster headmaster and e ko di
boy no one send you obe wo so
ayo headmaster you see boy no kra no che say kikiri bi asia ma yesi yi na di every school mo
because of on it
say because of no dia na akwala no so no you say kura no ma debordenize no enti utum say issues ho enti ono susu nya
video no
no say any assistant assist
assist so be show
pa
assist for no say binyo assist you go who assist
someone e ko hebe report ma
headmaster
head akola we wonye o kaso head beti
wo boa so na bia ono na akosia oba na say ye school no akwaya wie nko ana asante ewo
kwala kitin
ya mama sim bi ni say tama a video ni ba bonten no mama me ba na hu ohun ye ka say KNUST no ka kire me say da akora ehwan ya no so mu say headmaster bi na unim oh no koye exams JHS no koye na otimi describe papa na mama hu
se onim
wana me yam shame
na yes o munim say kola nim say papa ne so manje
won ko school
okotre exams ho
na papa ne ba ho na papa ne ba ho enti no video me tv3 for you no mama video na amba ti we de me hu no phone so man fine
enti kola no timi
me otimi ka chen say da oni tumi kwabo na we ya na wow look na akrakito we atimi ehu papa we at this age abra otimi describe no na obegin ni ma chena difference of the number be
almost say na yere kon niema
school
India say most people shop from them India say omo popular kakra inside environment no there are a lot of people omunim papa ne pa
omunim say on tisa
omunim say or a fine mind or ye obi aso hu on any family near their
divine to say yin say yo na we are da ko be
nipa bebre yam si wo
me play pa ba ko ni say with this bonny will be an so nemo say ne gratuity and I say ne nyeme nyina bebo no pa de mpanifo ya
na nyame no nyina na ete ana ese tokonu abono
na tokonu de dia o bombery state no ombeni because say attorney general name kokot akwesiki interpretation
attorney general na show interest on
so say okono kwaji interest
no what you got in chechire mu ntenti de ka ko de akonta ebetima say yes you lose your job as chief justice but wadwuma
nyama say the fatal
tokonu akọ for judicial review na attach attorney general
na attorney general
no so akobi for interpretation
emra we de me so me
I see a little sympathy here
yes
our very job mama intimi malbon team me ka say why dey menim say Council of State no pedifo bi edin komo aka chen say John we dey too much it no go through the legal means na enquire say Supreme Court will give an interpretation say yes you better be in as Chief Justice but on the judicial side he has a profession and yet say from SWO say as a judge be but conduct in the office of Chief Justice and our form
na ko job money throughout the man ne kunu and in the bay job money
say onye Chief Justice and ko nya sa
conditions ti aro de me ya but juma as a judge no wo form ye in her duty as a judge oma ruling dia na enya edi ananse say bia wo ye incompetent and stated misbehavior say no count there and the position no as a chief justice na mu dealing with it say wa monadwuma ye it is affecting no haven't you seen some headmaster yeah demote no
yes
because of a memo me anye
yes
the teacher adwuma mfini sem yampam no ye demote no man ko classroom
yes
esida
papa me KNUST in there me so me predi dey say
e KNUST papa no de omu demote no from assistant
na we ko say ni weakness say on nkra be chia nti me maya no ho yempanum fo
to mo fa no ko boys school
afa from boys school mo fa no ko administration ba bi kura no ko twa
administration e da sa kola bi be ba
o da bi say je
no assistant headmaster academic ti kola ne be ba
o da bi o munyi free mem mo fa no ko mem
o bia uza akota omo teachers ya omo te outside campus
obi kwatena fie pa woni di
so ya no teachers omo te outside campus no me ade e bia ye betima ma na free ye beje assistant headmaster sem na free
asante akase no
ye na free
o was no who guess
ye na free ye friend school ho no mo naija
store room kura man fa no ko no how many years na pay work retirement
akota say papa no so almost nearing retirement too.
Now almost nearing retirement for you. Ebia ne animal farm judge. Any man from judge or casa bronye. Any depending on a be a peche be. Also call retirement. Yeah, listen to crowd in High Court.
Take a year. A cabosa woman or trouble account. Or can I need to
as a last hour for no? Who's the police need be last hour of a person?
18 and last days are dangerous. Last days are dangerous. Last days are dangerous, you. Last days are very, very dangerous.
We are saying times, you know why I want to ask you.
You're
a poor buffalo born say, we are judge in it, and now we are magistrate. Near the Galamsey, Sompa FM. Jirim. As until Swan Carbon.
I said, Galamsey, Niba, Nima.
Be our from Galamsey. And share political affiliation or whatever, without fear or favor. Mamram and Yechuma.
Now, we are not Galamsey for how many of them are Domoko?
I
said one of you dealings. Only say, I must say, Pristia. How baby? Soldier for me, ya foul.
How many foul?
A police for what you woman. Or more call a Venice, Chinese site. Chinese need be site on Mokoye. And on Mokoye, no, almost some copper black and a scanner with him, maybe a scanner one. And our boys no more who's one and some for police from Bano Machi. Police for me, a soldier for me, a day hanker for government. Police in Yaw Boamah, a soldier near Cobra, a feel of Sompa. So, and I cannot do. Ah, and you know, the soldier for never will say, a chance I will come.
What a Mombe 1 year and a coma.
On better to touch it.
Blue water gas.
Blue water garden. Bear 1 year time.
On better to touch it. On better to touch you.
Call up my head.
I say, Honomo ya much more lucrative crowd than.
Who come in Liban, Uncle
Yaw. See, I don't want to bar for front.
Anti-Galamsey tax.
Now, I'm going to go for the bar for front. The 4 years. Now, to me, Pamo Womona by 2019, now will be a just small scale. Soldier for now, police for Vanguard for.
Mokoye.
Ye, Papa.
Vanguard.
Because baby, on man, breaking day. Boys, you want to know China, no, Marco Fago.
My dear, come and say, to the Mamma Palm woman. Now, so your phone, your friend, a black. No, Palm woman. No much, and your Moko second operation 2019. No, Mr. Grandma said, Moko have black. And the president soldier phone is side to where the black.
They say, Botton Gugu, soldier near prison.
What can I soldier phone?
No, but they are corner boys, Nako Rama. Yeah. A beer, you almost said, Tam. Bebre akwatra
police for on yes
bebre na susu tuatua de ma senior officers
say am mo
enko peacekeeping won pe
Lebanon onko
David onko Sudan
onko pe de Sudan
Sudan
Mansoa Dubia
okopeta galamsey
sa
Mansoa Dubia nom ne
session ne ade atwuma mponua
yoko anwe futu galamsey
eno yesi adroba area honom yesi omo security zone bi ne forest zone bi honom yesi de boys na ye honom no mra so ya fo no duru honom no chese unza akota forest no wo wanim say tu hu ne say obibia ye
ba uko inside na
hey
brade nyankopo
enuane nyina ko
nanka oh we are in that situation I catch you say yaw the issue of George ne ade no
yesi adroba so nsuo bi friend there bibi yes, I drove by it.
A friend say, BT 111 no yaw. Yatrao. Yeah. Say I'm saying
let's get tough. Let's get
the president should get tough.
Yes. Enough of akrokro no ne defe no ne.
Let's be stakeholders here no na make am.
Yeah, meeting stakeholders.
Me say ye chemo ho.
Yeah, the Galamsey for no kra ko takwa school of mines. Eko mo mu training. Eko church roma de but still antentam.
Yawe.
E de ani akrokro bi o.
Ye chem e wo sa akrokro say. Ye ji obi fa ahudie. Say nipa na nwene Ghana fo nyina fa ahudie. Ensu ya benom the second was say no such a person when you're so inimical to the country gloves
we dangerous to the survival
baby
of humanity
and so for me
Oh, I'm going to enter the investigations.
Enko baby.
Because we on my penny be the sumano. Police for more crown. Yen him say omuko sales. Yenim.
Soja for no
patrol for omuko sales. Sales no me yama hwa.
One no one sales. A night duty na be kwa akusi so de be call retirement. See you do call petrol team, highway petrol team. Let's mo call petrol so no ama de.
Now there be am for bibi ama.
Na man ko hu.
Say a roaster.
DPU announce
roaster na be call ba wo nru so da. If you do roaster no, nya nipa na ye. Duty roaster, nya nipa na ye.
Teacher for duty roaster mo kwa charge and say.
Now teacher duty roaster crowd.
Duty roaster.
Yeah wait. Teacher for duty roaster crowd. You will be on a you.
Mo. Nya nipa na ye.
What we share game was baby or do be wura no.
She.
Nurse for. Night. Baby to me for home we nurse for.
Bebre.
What me ya now the nurse ni na kan on fanning ko night. Nurse ni di bobo days Obu also ano de na she night go be sia no.
And the roaster
it's me pen
crofobia night sa go.
Wo pede
the night so wo be sia no.
Onim hospital mpa ye ntu ya.
Obo say teacher doctor we only lady we night kwa.
Ade na
yachimo
filika dochi.
Okay.
Night in kwa day.
Yeah, daddy e kwa ba. Eno Barcelona ewurade nyankopon. Ehie.
PG for massage bi won ko
No, omutimi nyisa ba. Napoli for ho. Kevin De Bruyne no asa ko she ho no.
Yes.
Masa. Orlando. Hot to be an all man you know. Muso anya de no. Ewurade no onya
team de wo mu na anya de okope no questions na man you.
Onya players on your mbebo.
Akota fe na magia tum se ne emre bi David De Gea. E kan so fi se Manchester United team no. Obi de yakọ Africa ko bu yedua. They should find out omonko anto anko dane. Ye cheche no. Akota fe na mahu se yaye no. Se Manchester United team no. It is either so obi de yaba Antwa.
Obi anfa mu ko ba bia.
And obi de yaba suma ko ayi ne
Obi anfa mu ko ba bia.
Betwitwa ne ma. Manchester United team no. Go play bi o be on team no day.
As flick. Ade kwasi asem no.
Changes now.
Yeah, but Champions League. Na ayi Lewandowski went to the bench now. Kola bi na ebo. Ferran Torres. Oh yeah, a substitute.
Substitute striker.
Why to say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer monetary sharing am those times. A come 20 minutes are not enough them. We are the boy be go. Now they go start it. Ewurade Nyankopon.
I say Kotoko qualify to the next stage. Anyone ever Orlando be
Any work of money.
Orlando Brawa.
I know the
Orlando Brawa. Money work never not enough them. We are the boy be go.